Perfect, perfection. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have some Jello here. Sophia and the boy made some Jello. We're gonna rock this Jello. We're gonna look at this watch band. What is that thing called? What is that thing called?
Watch band tan.
Tan. Thank you, Sophia. So how's everyone doing in this quarantine of just chilling at the house? We are so bored. We've been sitting here all day. It's 7 in the evening right now. But we had church today and all that stuff at the house and did all that stuff. So, yes, and Audrina has a wiggly tooth. Look at this thing. Whoa, it is about to just fall out. Can I pull it out? Can I pull it out? Can I pull it out? And this dude got a sweet mohawk. Let me see that mohawk, dude. Woo! When you're bored at the house, you give your son a mohawk, right? Yeah, look at that thing. Come on, Blur Blur.
Don't touch the Jello.
Yeah. Sweet, man. And Sophia, yes, Sophia was coughing because she's been coughing for like weeks. But whatever. Oh, excellent.
Yeah, I do not have the virus, just so you know.
Yeah, Sophia does not have the virus. We got her checked. We didn't get her checked, but she doesn't have it. So, because we've been quarantined ourselves, no one has gone anywhere. Just me working, doing all that stuff. Yes, Audrina.
Daddy, Papa keeps fingering the Jello.
Yo, all right, we're gonna put some Jello in these kids' bellies so they can go to sleep. Jello coming up. 1, 2, 3, bam! It's so awesome. So blurry, yeah. So how's everyone doing? Good to see you. Appreciate y'all watching us today. It's gonna be a short vlog today. We're just gonna end it in just a couple seconds.
Guys.
Whoa, it's so tickly. Is that brain? Is that brain? Oh yes, strawberry. Is it good?
No cherry.
It's cherry?
I need a spoon.
You need a spoon?
No.
Okay, spoon coming up. Look at this drawer with spoons. All these plastic spoons in it. 1, 2, 3, bam, done. Spoons. Woo! And if you're asking where's Mama, she's laying in the bed. Her stomach is upset.
Look, guys.
So yeah, that's news on that. And like I said, we've just been hanging out here at the house, doing absolutely nothing, chilling, letting things grow outside. Oh, check out things growing. Come on, let's go. Look at this stuff growing. Oh, look at these potatoes. The potatoes are just growing. Potatoes growing. Sunflowers. Look at all these sunflowers. Whoa.
Cold Jello on my leg. Ew.
Ew, what? What's in there? Fingernail?
It's hard.
It's hard? Why is it hard? Oh, it looks like it's not been mixed well enough. There's hard pieces in there. Who mixed it?
Me. And I mixed it. I put
Maybe the water didn't get hot enough. It's just sugar if it's hard.
It's gross.
It's gross. Maybe it's the gluten.
Crunch, crunchy, crunch, crunch. Wait, watch me crunch it.
Whoa, awesome. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm gonna vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. I'm not sure when. Who knows? The world is whatever right now, so who knows? But we're safe. Hope you all stay safe. And remember, wash your hands. Don't put them on your face. See you next time. Bye-bye.